Quite often, the accuracy of a number has to be adjusted to suit its application. So, for example, the accuracy needed in the building of a house is different from that in manufacturing a car. There are two ways we do this. One is to use decimal places, and the other is to use significant figures. The number of decimal places is the number of columns to the right of the decimal point. So in this example, there are 6 decimal places. Supposing we wanted to get it to just 2 decimal places. We can draw a line to the right of the second decimal place. Then we need to look to the right of that line, and if that number is 5 or more, we increase the last remaining number by 1. So the answer's 73.55. Here's another example. This is to 6 decimal places, and you see how the zeros that are, so to speak, trapped do count as decimal places. Supposing we wanted to reduce this to 4 decimal places. We would draw a line to the right of the 4th decimal place, look over the fence, so to speak, and we see that 0 has to be increased to 1. This number is accurate to 8 significant figures. The number of significant figures is the number of columns from the first non-zero to the last non-zero. If we wanted this to 4 significant figures, we would count in from the left 4 columns and draw a line. Look over that fence, so to speak, and again, if the number that's there is 5 or more, we have to increase the number on the left of the line by 1. So we get the answer 73.55 to 4 significant figures. Here's another example. In this case, there are 9 significant figures. Notice that all the zeros that are, so to speak, trapped do count as significant figures. If we wanted this to 4 significant figures, we would count in 4 columns from the left and draw the line. Again, look over the fence and there's a 3 there. The 3 won't affect the 0 to its left, so the answer is 10.00. Are those zeros significant? Yes, they are in this case because we know where the number came from. But if you were simply given 10.00, you might not know whether that is actually to 4 significant figures.